Oh my God, it's real Satan Mr. Sav, you know it is. Check it out. We are at the Pillet project and boom, we got a roof on. This house has been sitting without a roof or the side for the best part of 3 years. 3 years there was no roof in this house. Okay, the seller didn't want to do all the work that we just did and we continue to do, but look at that. A sight for sore eyes is now bringing it back to life. We got this beautiful new roof, cottage style, just continuation of what's going on over there. Little overhang. We got our stairs coming up over here. Should have been done by now, but it's too goddamn cold, so my guys wanted days off, right? But there's that first landing, entrance for the upper unit, entrance for the main floor, and this is the driveway in the back. But look at that roof. We can put some shingles on. Oh my God, it's a beautiful thing. It looks so great. And now we can begin to keep the environment out of this house and start working on the inside very soon. All right. Oh, you got a tree in the way, you got sun in the way, but that's the other side of the roof there. It looks so good. Let's take a look inside and see how it looks from the inside. But yeah, I'm so happy to see this. Those side stairs are coming off. We got to demo that eventually because now we got the stairs in the back. All right, let's go inside.